Hello there, are you tired of not being able to destroy your friend's $1.3 billion destroyer? Do you wish you could easily get rid of any troll, or outdo your other friend's nuclear arsenal? Well, the solution is simple. You need a big nuke to demolish any threats that are posed to you. For this tutorial you will need all of the building tools, 8502 balloons, a chair, 1000 plastic blocks, 1 glue block, a functional F-111 fighter bomber, or an F-35, or a larger bomber, or really any fighter, and finally a unsuspecting innocent target to test it on. I'll wait for you to gather your things. Took you long enough, now let's get started. First we are going to scale this balloon by 15 studs to the right, then 11 studs up, and finally 50 studs back. To get this massive balloon, don't forget to color it any explosion color you want. I forgot to do this until a bit later. Don't make my mistake. Next you will grab that chair and place it down onto the balloon. Save it like that. Then with a cake, hinge, glow or firework block, you are going to dupe it. Damn, this is heavy. Like your mom. Once you have duped it, you are gonna do this 6 more times. Shut your mouth, you're the one that wanted a hydrogen bomb. Though. Once that is done, you are gonna need a bombshell. No, that's too small. Take your 100 plastic blocks and follow what I do. Slow down the video if you need to. Oh god, wait, no. Hold up, no. That was a close one. Once that is done, we are now gonna delete this chair, and this chair, and this chair, and this chair, and this chair. You will then place down a lever to connect all of the balloons to. You will grab your screwdriver tool and make this entire thing collision off and invisible 100. Then grab all of these balloons and place them into the bomb shell. Then get a plastic block, place it onto the balloons inside the shell casing, and connect it to the side of the bomb, just for safekeeping. Once it is safe, grab your aircraft. Hold on a moment. Don't ask how, but I've made it work. You will grab your lever and place it onto the body of the aircraft. You can use a chair if you're on PC, but for this tutorial, I'm just using it. Then place down a new lever. Once your activation lever is in place, you will then place down a glue block and you unbind it. Just make sure nothing is stuck to the bomb and you should be done now. Now let's look for a victim.
Ah yes, what lovely night it is to try to build up my military might. Maybe today will be the day that my tank will finally be able to destroy Make 10 is it called? Wait, what is that?
Lining up for the attack run.
Should I be worried?
Bomb's gone. Now let's watch the fireworks.
Maybe it's my 10 new delivery.
Oh god, no it's not. Run.
Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a like for the YouTube gods. Till next time, I'm out of fuel. Ay.